Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send bulk WhatsApp special offer messages automatically for Instagram lead ads leads. So let's suppose I'm running a digital marketing agency and I'm collecting all my leads using Instagram lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, I should automatically send them the bulk messages using AI Sensei. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this entire process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Instagram lead ads and AI Sensei. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I'm going to capture a new lead from my Instagram lead ads, I'm automatically going to send them the special promotion offers using AI Sensei, and that too in bulk. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can send the bulk offer messages to all the leads which we have captured from Instagram lead ads. And for this, we are simply going to create integration between Instagram lead ads and AI Sensei using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into a Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I am going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I'm going to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as send bulk WhatsApp special offer messages automatically for Instagram lead ads lead. And now I'm going to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Instagram automations and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send the bulk messages to my Instagram leads, which means whenever I'm going to capture a new lead, I want to send them the WhatsApp message, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from this Instagram lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Instagram lead ads, and following this trigger application will be my action application, in which I will take AI Sensei, with the help of which I will send the WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take Instagram lead ads, and then in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Now here I've already logged in my Instagram, and it is asking me, do you want to continue with the same Facebook account? It is asking me like this because my Instagram and my Facebook are linked. So I'm going to continue with the same account, and you will see Instagram lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is. So now I need to enter this Facebook page and this lead ad form. So I am running all the advertisements with the help of this page which I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, and my Facebook page and my Instagram are connected. So if I open my ads manager, this is the campaign which I am running, and you can see the Facebook page and my Instagram account are connected. If I scroll down, you can see that I have also selected the form. If I open my Instagram, now on the left hand side I have this option of more. From here I'm going to go towards the settings, and on the left hand side itself I have this option of see more in account center. So over here you can see this, my Instagram and my Facebook are connected. So if I select this Facebook page, I will be able to capture the Instagram leads over here in this workflow. So I am running all my advertisements with the help of digital dynamics. So I will select that page and then I'm going to get this lead ad form. Now to get this lead ad form, I'm going to open Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. On the top where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on the resources and then go towards the developer tools. Now from here, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on this lead ads RTO debug tool and I will be landed towards lead ads testing tool. So here I have landed towards this lead ads testing tool, and from here I'm going to select the page and then I'm going to select the lead gen form. So I'm going to use this DD lead form copy 3. This form has first name, last name, email and phone number. So I will be using this. So I'll go back towards my workflow and from this drop down I have selected the same form, DD lead form copy 3. Now after selecting this page and the lead ad form, I'm going to go towards my lead ads testing tool and do this form submission. But before doing this form submission, please make sure that you delete the lead and then you refresh this page once. Now when you will be running a live campaign, you need not do this again and again. I will select my page and then I will select my form, which is this. Now I'm going to click on this preview form. So here I have entered all these details. My name is new lead, email address is newlead@pabblyconnect.com and the phone number is this. I'm going to click on this continue and then I'm going to click on this submit. Now here as soon as I've done this form submission, let's wait for the form submission. So it is done. I'll go back towards my workflow and I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response and here I have received the response. So the name is new lead, email address is newlead@pabblyconnect.com and the phone number is this. Now here as soon as I've done the form submission, I have captured that response in this workflow and this shows the connection setup is working fine. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send them the WhatsApp message. So I'm going to click on this add new action step and in my action application, I'll search for AI Sensi and in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and now to make this connection, I need to enter this API key. To get this API key, I have to navigate to manage section API key and generate API key. I'm going to open my AI Sensi account. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I have this manage and from here I'm going to click on this API key. So I'm going to simply click to copy this API key. I'm not going to regenerate this and then I'm going to paste it over here and then simply click on this save. You will see WhatsApp by AI Sensi is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter all these details. Now over here I'm not going to enter this detail like this manually. Instead I'm going to map these details. But first one is campaign name. I cannot map this campaign name. This campaign name is very important. So I'm going to open my AI Sensi and I have created a template. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on this manage. I'm going to click on this all. If I scroll down, you can see all the templates which I have created. So to create a campaign, we have to create a template. I have created a template by the name Instagram leads and Instagram leads too. So I'm going to open this Instagram leads and you can see that this is the template which I have created, hello demo. I have added a custom variable which will keep replacing whenever I get new lead. Thank you for showing interest through Instagram ads and then the rest of the details. So this is the template and for this template only I have created a campaign. But first let's learn how to create a template. On the top right you can see this option of new. I'm going to open this, select the template category and then select the language. After which we have to enter the template name. If you want to get the template format using this AI, you can do that, but it will require few credits. Give the template name, enter the template type. You want text, image, video, document, then enter the format like this, which is the main part of the message like this. So here I have entered this custom variable and you can add as many as custom variables as you want, and these custom variables are going to get replaced whenever you get a new response, and you can continue this message. If you want to add the template footer, you can do that. After adding the interactive session, simply click on this submit and your template will be reviewed. After your template is reviewed, you can use this template to your workflow. Now on the left hand side itself we can see this campaigns. So I'm going to open this campaigns and you simply have to click on this launch on the top right corner, go towards this API campaign, Give the campaign name, select the template. So here I have created a campaign for Instagram leads too. So I'm going to select the template and I want to give the campaign name same. So I'm going to copy and paste that over here and simply click on set live. So it says your campaign has been successfully created. So for that template, I have successfully created this campaign. Now we are going to enter the campaign name. So I'm going to enter the campaign. So first I'm going to send Instagram leads. So I'll search for Instagram leads. After this, I will send another message in which I will use Instagram leads too. So I'm going to, you can see that this is the same message. I'm simply going to copy the name, paste it over here. Now in the mobile number, I'm going to map this. I'm going to click on this field, click on this Instagram lead ads and map the phone number like this. In the username, the name was new lead. So I'm going to map this. The source, latitude, longitude, location name, location address, tags, template, parameter. These fields are not required one. Tags are not required one. So I'm going to skip this. In this template parameter, I'm going to enter the value to the custom variable which I have added. So in this template, I have created one custom variable only, which was for the name of the lead. So I'm going to enter that. Now if I had more custom variables, I have simply separated those custom variables with the help of comma and entered the rest of the values. So here I have entered the template parameter. Now this attributes URL and file name are not required fields. I simply want to send a message. So I have entered all the required details. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I'm going to execute this workflow and send the WhatsApp message. Before that, I'm going to remove this phone number as this is a dummy phone number which I have received and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response and this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and here it is. I have received this message. You can see that I have received a personalized message. Hello new lead. Thank you for showing interest through Instagram ads. We are excited to introduce you to our business. This is the same exact template which we have created and we have sent the message. Now following the same method, I want to send the bulk message. So to send the bulk message, I will be sending these messages on a regular interval of time. To put this interval of time, I'm going to click on this add new action step and in my action application, I'll search for delay. So in this action event, I'm going to select it as add time delay and then click on connect. So do you want to delay for until or after queue? I'm going to select it as delay and then the delay unit is days. I want to delay for 1 day. So I want to send another message after 1 day. So I'm going to click on save and send test request and you will see this workflow will be delayed to run after 1 day after this step. So I'm going to click on this add new action step and in my action application, I'll search for AI Sensei again. In my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. Now here as I have already an existing connection, I'm going to save this and here I'm going to follow the same process. I'm going to go towards AI Sensei, click on this campaign and I'm going to refresh this page once. So here you can see that Instagram leads to is live. So I'm going to copy and paste the name over here. I'm going to enter my phone number. I'm going to first enter the username, which is this new lead. Then I'll enter my phone number. Then if I scroll down, I have this template parameter in which I have to enter the value to the custom variable which I have added, which was only one. Here we have created this template. So this is only one custom variable. I have added the value to that. After entering all the details, these details were same. I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here I have received the response. Let me quickly open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the same message there or not. And here it is. We have received this message. You can see just now, hey new lead, and this is a personalized message. Don't miss this. So this is the same exact message which we have created as our template in AI Sensei. Now to summarize, we took Instagram lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we wanted to send the WhatsApp message. We took AI Sensei as an action application, send the message, and then we wanted to send a bulk message. Now here I have only put one delay. You can add as many as delays. I'm going to delay this workflow for 1 day and then send another WhatsApp message. So I have done that. So this is how we have automated this process, and we have successfully built the connection between this Instagram lead ads and WhatsApp by AI Sensei using Pabbly Connect. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting videos, and I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can drop a comment if you have any doubts. We are going to try to resolve it as soon as possible. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.